The training process that AcornVac provides is exceptional. They are ready and willing, and they will do pretty much any type of training that the customer desires. And I've had numerous teams trained by Acorn, and with the kind of revolving door of maintenance engineers and this type of thing, it's a continual process, is to just keep everybody trained and that. But it doesn't matter what function within healthcare, training is a continual aspect of the whole thing. But you know, when you have an organization that backs their product the way they do, with a 24/7 number that you can call, that has expert people that answer the phone, so that if you're having a problem and you have to be at 3 a.m. and you have to be up and running by 7, they're there to help you. And I find that the biggest issue with that is just getting the team to use it. So their training is exceptional.